Hi there, I'm Lucy Sparrow. This is Sparrow Mart, my all-felt supermarket here in downtown LA. Here at the Standard Hotel we have 31,000 felt items in this supermarket. It took a year to make and each one is made by hand. I want people to walk away from this artwork with a feeling that art is applicable to anyone and that if they feel inspired to make something, they can just make it. You don't need anything special to be able to do that. I think the thing that I'm most proud of is the fact that all the shelves are covered, because it was such a huge job to do it. It took about 3 or 4 days in total for just me and my assistant to do it. And I think a lot of people don't necessarily notice that the shelves are made of felt. My favourite products, I really like the toothbrushes because they're really cute and it's such an odd thing to be made of felt. I like the Windex because of the little trigger squirty thing on the top, and I really like these sushi counters.